Okay, in this video I'm going to cover just a few miscellaneous features of SipperViz which can help if you want to just kind of maximize the usability of this program. Um, so one thing, I think I've shown this, but you can sort files. So under Sippers there's a few ways to sort. So you can do sort by duration. Also, if you get files sorted one way, you can click this header to reverse the sort. And it will preserve things that you've highlighted. Okay, next quick thing, you can name the left and right bottle name. So this is, rather than assigning contents, if you just want to call the left one and the right one something else, you can go to rename tubes and then enter names there. And now you'll see it says oxy and water. If you create plots now, it's going to say oxy and water rather than left and right. I think when you get into plots that are aggregating data, it's just going to default to doing left and right rather than trying to make sense of differently named tubes. Okay, and I guess the next quick thing is you can group things automatically by device number. So if you have kept track of Sippers having different devices, you can just hit this, or having different device numbers, you can just hit that group by device number, and then now these are all in groups corresponding to their number, which was device 5. Okay, I think the last thing is just a few of these plotting features which can be useful. If you select a plot, or if you go to manage plots at the bottom, there's these settings. There's a way to select files from plot, so if you want to see which files went into each plot, you can just hit that. There's load settings from plot, so that means you can load the settings that are specific to this plot that were used by this plot. So let's say I go into here and I uncheck these and stuff, and I'm going to say I don't want to shade, sorry, that's in here, shade the dark period anymore. So I'm going to just create the plot again. Oh, I can't do that because I did too much. So now I'm going to just create the plot again. And you'll see there's these changes. If you want to reload those settings, I'm just going to hit that. And then if I create the plot again, now it's back to the ones used by this first plot. Back to the settings. Another similar feature is you can replot any plot with the current settings. So if you hit here and do replot, it's going to try and recreate this plot given the changes that you've just made to the settings. But a good thing to know, though, is that if you delete a file, it might throw an error then and say that it cannot recreate the plot. So if I do replot with current settings, yeah, it says either the file's been removed or the groups you've selected have changed. Okay, I think that's it for these little bonus features. Also show that there's just this About tab here with some links to different lab pages and the Hackaday and the GitHub as well. Probably put a link to this video series once it goes up as well. Okay, I think that's it for this video.